Hello everyone, welcome back to a video on my channel. Move this out the way. So, after Halloween, it's my birthday. So, my dad got me presents and I got to open one every day until my birthday. And day one, where'd it go? Oh. Day one, I got this. Day two, I got this. And it has and from the Dark Christ set, the Elite Trainer box, I got 4 rare cards. And this is my rare card binder. So these are the cards that I got. These are the cards that I got. They cool? They're cool? Yeah. Are they cool? So, I got this. So now, I got this one. So, let's open it together. So, 1 second. I'm gonna go get scissors. Where are my scissors? I got scissors. I found the scissors. Okay, now let's open this thing. Got a slit. Now I rip open. Okay. Cool. Let's take it out. And if you like ASMR Pokemon openings, I suggest you go to this channel called Relaxed Rocket. Because me personally, I love Relaxed Rocket. Like, I love him. And I think he deserves more subscribers. So, go subscribe to him. So, I had this pack before. And I want to show y'all some of the cards, the rare card I got from this pack when I first got it. So, I got this Box of Disaster. Let me find the other one. Oh, this one, Trainer Gallery. And then there is one last one that I need to find. In here. Enough of all the rainbow cards, because I never got one of those. It has to be in here somewhere. It must be. Oh, yeah. I got this one, but it wasn't from the box. It was from, like a normal pack. And then I got these two. Drapion VMAX, or V-Star, and Drapion V. So that was amazing. So, I'm going to show y'all some cards, or some cards I hope to get. Hope. Probably won't, but hope. Like these two Giratina cards. Like those two. All the rainbows, because I need rainbows. I barely have any. I have 2. And just like all the Giratina cards, actually. So, without further ado, let's open the box. Let's see. Okay. We have sleeve or dividers. Sleeves. A QR code which y'all can scan. Give y'all some time. Energy cards. This, which was already open for some reason. Damage dice, or whatever they're called. I don't know. I only open these for the cards. V-Star logo. the poison thing and the burn thing. But all that aside, time for the packs. The packs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 packs that we can open from. 8 packs. So let's go ahead and open the first one on top. Let's open it. Open! Okay, it won't open. Okay, I did it. Okay. Here's the QR code. Oh, dang it, I'm not supposed to do it that way. I almost saw the rare card at the end. So, Psychic Energy. Heron or whatever. I don't know how to say it. Bronzong. Chlor's Experiment. Minfu. Litio. Ghastly. Pseudo-Wudo. Phantom, I think. The reverse. Snorlax. And then Stonejourner. Okay, that was our first set, but there is many more, or 7 more to go, to be exact. And I will save the Giratina one for last because I feel like Giratina is lucky. And I feel like these ones are the most unlucky. These ones are the most medium. This one is lucky. And these ones are mega lucky. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna open this one. Let's go. Open. You know what? I'm gonna use my scissors. I don't know why with my hands I got perfectly fine scissors. Okay. Open. QR code for y'all. Okay. Is that 4? Yeah. Okay, that's 4. Okay. Dark Energy. Misfortune Sisters. Porygon 2. Lake Agnoity. Huiz and Zora. Binacle. I don't know how to say his name. Gumi. Oh wait, it's a dragon type. Let's go. Just so y'all know, I only have 2 dragon types cards. I only have 2 dragon type cards out of all my 1,056 cards. This is my 3rd one. Okay. Bronzor. Good card. Snover. Feel like we're gonna get something good. No, I feel it. I just feel it. Ooh, what's that? Ooh. Oh! Parasect Trainer Gallery! Let's go! I got a Trainer Gallery. This is my 4th trainer gallery ever. So let's see. And the last one is Landorus. But let's take a look at this amazing trainer gallery. So cool. So, second, let me bust out the sleeves real quick. Let me bust out the sleeve. Of course, I gotta put it in a sleeve. And then this pairs this card in a sleeve. Well, now, one second. This card that's in a sleeve will now go in a sleeve. Okay. Perfect. I'll close this. And I doubted them. I doubted you. Lucky shape. This is what Relax Rocket does when he gets good cards, so I'm gonna see if this will work. Lucky shake. Where are my scissors? Okay, let's open the now. Let's open. QR code. QR code for y'all. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think that was 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that was 5. Okay. Fighting energy. Chloris experiment. Kamwala or Koala. I don't know. Toolbox. Wurmple. T-mail. I don't know. C-dot. Yes, it's a C-dot. Horsey. Medite. We got Cedra, or the reverse, and then Gastar, Glaystar, a hollow. Don't get mad at me, but I don't sleeve hollows. Don't get mad at me. Oh, I dropped it. I don't sleeve hollows. I really only sleeve, like, you know, V's, VMAXs, V-stars, trainer galleries, and full arts. So, sorry. But now, time for the Guanavar packs. Let me just get this set out the way. Put it in the pile. And only one rare card. So, hopefully, Guanavar is more lucky. Lucky shake. Open it. I have a good feeling about this one. I have a pretty good feeling about this one. Where? No. Okay. QR code for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Steel energy. Survivor. Galarian Stunkfish. A normal box of disaster. Shellos. Binacle. Porygon. Ducklet. Limpbug. The reverse matchup. And then the last one. Hollow Huizing. Oh, dang it. Hollow Huizing Gudra. Y'all let me know if I should sleeve hollows in my next. Y'all let me know if I should sleeve hollows in my next Pokemon card opening video. I will sleeve all the hollows I got. Or all the hollows I get. And all the hollows I find. That are already in my set. So, before we get on to the next set, actually, gotta organization. Second Guinevere, and it seems like I get a lot of hollows, and I really like the hollows. So, lucky shake. Every time I shake it, for some reason I got a hollow. Oh, dang. Oh, I think it accidentally cut into a card. Hold up. Is the card okay? Is the card okay? Okay, no damages. It's not damaged. One. Oh, no. Itch. QR code for y'all. Then we got light or electric energy. Lost vacuum. Is that it? Yep. Cascoon. Ambipom or Ambipom. Fan up. Sudowoodo. Electrike. Love Disc. Gliscor. One of my favorite Pokemon. Gengar. Then the last one. Poliwrath. Dang it. Okay. Hopefully he was in Zora or Zeraora will give me something good. Because I only got one good card. Well, if y'all, I'm not counting the hollows. I'm counting, like, the trainer gallery I got in one of the first packs. So now, I'm not going to do a lucky shake. I'm going to do a lucky spin. 2 lucky spins. Okay. Hopefully I get Radiant or just, like, a rare card. Or maybe one of the Garatinas. Like, just one of the Garatina cards. Hopefully I get one of the Garatina cards because my favorite Pokemon is Garatina. But, so, QR code. 2, 3, 4. Then we got Leaf Energy. Damage Pump. Dawdler. Seadra. What's that? What's that? Oh. Wurmple. Rhydon. Have a good feeling about this one. Murkrow. Horsey. Mawile. Swanna. Now, let's see. Oh! Berserker V. Or Galarian Berserker V. Never had this card. Sleeves. Bust out the sleeves. Bust 'em out, bust 'em out, bust 'em out. But this, I love this card. I love Galarian Berserker. So now, first, clean up the cards. And wait until you see how messy my room is, or the spot that I'm recording in at the end. So, time to put the card in a sleeve. Now he's with his friend. They're buddies now. They're buddies. Time for the cards that I think are luckiest. The first Giratina card. Lucky spin, because that worked twice. That lucky spin worked, so hopefully it works again. Let's see. QR code for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. V-Star thing. Hariyama. Arc phone. Metacham, or however you say, I don't know. Shellos. Minfu. Litleo. Ghastly. Ducklet. The reverse. Bronzong. Then, let's see this card. Hunt Crow. Come on, my Giratina card. You gotta give me at least 2 things. Because I want to fill up that next slot. Hopefully. And I think more Pokemon vids are going to be coming out today because it's Sunday. It may not be Sunday whenever, like, you're seeing this. But now, it's Sunday. And I get to open all my gifts on Sunday. So, maybe more Pokemon openings? I don't know. Because I can't see them. They're in happy birthday wrapping. So, lucky shake, lucky spin 5 times. Lucky yeet, lucky shake, lucky hat, lucky stare. Like the video for me to have luck. No, you stare at it. Lucky stare. Okay, let's go. Hopefully I get something good. I need something good. Here's the QR code for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic energy. Lady. Another dragon type. Who is in Sliggoo, which I ain't never seen the He was in form of Sliggoo. It looks cool. Electrike. Jinx. Inkay. Squirvet. Franklis. Poliwag. And then Carbink. Now, please be something good. Dang it! Come see. Well, that was all for the opening. I hope y'all enjoyed my first Pokemon card opening video, because I usually open them by myself. But I hope y'all enjoyed that video. And sadly, we only got 2 cards that are rare out of 8. 8 and only 2. Let's close this. And thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you won't miss when I ever upload like a video like this instead of shorts. And let's just appreciate the hollows that we got. So let's see. Now look, just look at my area. Just look at my area that I'm recording in. No, that's my foot. Look at my area. Messy, isn't it? But that's all for today. Well, maybe not all, but goodbye.